In this video, I'll be sharing some practical tips and tricks for improving your productivity and time management. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to get more done in less time, these ideas will help you stay organized, focused, and on track. So let's get started. Number 6. Create a to-do list. This might seem like a basic strategy, but it's an essential tool for staying organized and on top of your tasks. Start by making a list of all the things you need to do for the day or week, and prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. This can help you focus on the most critical tasks first and avoid getting sidetracked by less important ones. Number 5. Eliminate distractions. This can be a challenge in our digital age, where we're bombarded with constant notifications and interruptions. To minimize distractions, consider turning off your phone notifications, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, or working in a quiet, distraction-free space. By doing this, you can maximize your focus and productivity. Number 4. Take breaks. It might seem counterintuitive, but taking regular breaks can actually improve your productivity and focus. Try the Pomodoro technique, which involves working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break, or taking a quick walk or stretch break every hour. This can help you recharge your energy and maintain your focus over longer periods of time. Number 3. Delegate tasks. Another effective strategy for boosting productivity is to delegate tasks. This is especially important if you're a manager or a team leader, but it can also be helpful for individuals. By delegating tasks to others, you can free up your own time and focus on the most critical aspects of your work. Make sure to assign tasks based on people's strengths and abilities, and provide clear instructions and deadlines. Number 2. Time blocking. This involves scheduling specific blocks of time for different tasks or activities, such as checking email, making phone calls, or working on a project. By doing this, you can avoid multitasking and stay focused on one thing at a time. It can also help you prioritize your tasks and ensure that you're using your time effectively. Finally, number 1, make sure to schedule in some downtime for yourself. Self-care and relaxation are important for mental and emotional health and can actually help you be more productive in the long run. Whether it's reading a book, taking a yoga class, or spending time with loved ones, make sure to carve out some time for yourself each week. By doing so, you can recharge your energy and reduce stress and burnout. And there you have it, some practical tips and tricks for improving your productivity and time management. By implementing these strategies, you can stay organized, focused, and on track, while also taking care of your mental and emotional well-being. I hope you found these ideas helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.